With red ochre and a squirrel brush Rublev Series 1410 No. 3, I start drawing the first outlines. It is key to fill in these connection areas that borders other areas without ever leaving white paths. It is one of the worst mistakes that we frequently find in icons written by beginners: white zones among the connection areas of different base colors. I execute the hair starting from the dominant line and then executing the others by reducing graphic weight and length. For the third step on the neck, I extend further and then conclude by fading away. I keep my brush clean and the consistency of the color must be diluted enough. Then I go over these areas again. Generally, we need 2 steps for the redness, always trying to achieve an overall uniformity. Pay particular attention to the nose, painting with extreme care and focus, considering the very narrow section of the area in light. It is necessary to remain within the 4 areas, from zone 1 to 4, without widening and overlapping the previous step. I place the divine light on the neck. The correct positioning helps to shape the lower part of the beard. I go over the silhouette with extreme attention. Similarity with the model is guaranteed by such small details. With more strength and precision, I reinforce the pupil, the iris, the eyelashes, and the other graphic signs.